Hi guys, look what I got, and the new XC Grip Pro. I've got the one before this, and this is even better with adjustable wattage and airflow. Just fantastic, and look at that. Okay, let's get into the unboxing and how to use it. Hi guys, you may have seen my previous videos. I had the XC Grip. Now this is the XC Grip Pro, and we'll show you the differences in a second. This is a Joytech product, and with that you get some e-liquid with most orders. So I do like the icy blast. So let's have a look in here, and here it is. Now this has got such a much more glamorous cover to it, with this sort of lines on the colour moving. That is really pretty cool. And the other feature that this Pro has got, so press it 5 times to turn it on, and as you can see, we have a control to adjust the wattage, and it shows a battery indicator now, which we've got. Didn't have that on the last one, so you can keep an eye on when that's about to go low, you know, whack it on charge. So that's pretty cool. These come with an EZ atomizer coil, so that's like a new version. This one, I think we can see in there, this is a 1.2. It says on the back here something. Here we go, underneath. It's 7 to 13 watts and 1.2 ohm, so that's mouth to lung. Now in the box we have packaging there. You have your paperwork, and as it shows on there, we've got the old coils, which is the EX series, and the EZ cartridge. So that basically means that the old cartridges, which is this from the EZ, and this is the, no, this is the, what's it called again? EX. So this is the EX, and that will fit in here, which means I can still use my other one. The other one is in the calf, so I can still use, I've got some sub-ohm coils for that, so I can still use them. And then with this in the box, we have apart from the USB cable, we have a sub-ohm version. Now the EX was 0.4, I believe. So this goes up to 20 to 32 watts at 0.4. So it's still the same low 0.4, which is fine. But now we can manually control that on there. On the EX series, on the sub-ohm pod cartridge, there was a little lever, and you would lever out, just pull the switch type of thing, and you can get this coil out. So what you have to do is, you see underneath here there's a little lip. So using the end of this, I've managed to lift it up, and I can pull that out. So you'll need to prime this. You're going to use that one. But I am going to go for the sub-ohm personally. So I need to put that in. And you need to line it up. You've got flat edges here and on the other side, so you need to line them up and then push that in. Before putting it in, you need to add a couple of drops into the end. That we can see in the end there, that's really cool. And then also put a drop on each side in each one of these holes here. There you go. So you've got the power on button there. That's a fire button. And to adjust this, on the right hand side, this is a rocker switch here. Goes up and then it goes down. Okay. And then you can lock that by holding both the buttons down, and it's locked. It still shows. If you want stealth mode, you hold this button and this button together and it will go into stealth mode, so you won't see the display. And you can see the battery level there. On the side, there is actually a label over this, but this is the airflow, which is really cool. So I've got that fully open at the moment, which is what I like. Some people like a tighter draw, so they might have it halfway or something. So it's up to you personal.